talk to her? Why are you trying to fool me? Can I please talk to her? Can I please?
Miss Cooper, we're not going to take you. I think she's going to have to go.
Can I please talk to you?
So you're asking to be transferred to Bell County?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So who do you know in Bell County?
I have my child there. I have a few, they're friends, but they're more like adopted, like you adopted them to your family, like your extended family.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been getting a lot of help since I've been out.
All right. And have you been maintaining your sobriety?
Yes, ma'am. I actually put in a whole bunch of applications. I got a few jobs that is actually lined up, but the only thing I need to get is my ID. And I'm having issues with that with my birth certificate. But other than that,
all right. What issues are you having with your ID?
One, I don't have my birth certificate or my social due to, yes, ma'am. And I've been trying to see if my mom can send it, but the puppy that she has is under a totally different name and stuff like that.
Oh, well, you can go online and order it. I mean, it costs.
Yeah.
But if you talk to probation about that, I'm sure they'll be able to help you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And when's the last time you had your UA?
I want to say since the last one.
And when was that? Has it been this month?
No, ma'am. I'm just not hearing from probation last week.
Okay. All right. So we'll do a UA today. And Bashan?
Yes, Shauna.
If her UA is okay, then we'll do I'll allow for her to transfer to Bell County. And make sure that probation has reviewed that location.
Yes, Shauna.
So you're going to do a UA today, okay? And what are the results going to be?
I'm going to be honest. It's going to be negative because of my tooth. I've been having a massive toothache.
Is that
This
prescription?
Yes, ma'am. I don't have it with me, though.
All right. So you're going to have to provide prescription for that. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're still going to do a UA today. All right. All right. All right, Miss Cooper. Hey, Norma, can you see if Matt can get an attorney for Miss Cooper? So Miss Cooper, you're going to get taken into custody today. Wait. Miss Cooper, there will be an attorney here for you today.
Wait. Talk to her. Why are you trying to fool me? Can I please talk to her? Can I please?
Miss Cooper, we're not going to take you. I think she's going to have to go.
Can I please talk to you?
All right, the court is calling 2015 CR 11815W, State of Texas versus Amia Cooper. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrahan, Your Honor.
Defense.
Charles Bunt for Miss Cooper.
And are you Miss Cooper? All right. Miss Cooper, before we do that, Mr. Bonk, you are appointed to represent Miss Cooper today. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Have you had ample time to review the allegations in the motion?
I have, and we're waiving our preparations.
All right. Miss Cooper, do you understand that your attorney has 10 days to prepare for a hearing on this matter? You need to say yes or no. I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you understand your attorney is waiving that right and he's asking to proceed now? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have any objection to proceeding with this now?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Mia Cooper who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2015 CR 11815W for the offense of promotion or prostitution of a person younger than 18 years and placed on probation on January 25th, 2016 for a period of 5 years and extended for 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 2 on or about the 25th day of July 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Mia Cooper, did then there legally use a controlled substance, namely methamphetamines, in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True.
Okay, here's the thing. I can't hear you. You're going to have to speak up. You can't be whispering because I know when you're in public, you don't whisper. So how do you plead to a violation of condition number 2 that's just been read by the state? True or not true?
It's true.
We'll
State.
waive the remaining violated conditions, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
It is to adjudicate guilt or revoke the individual offer of probation and is sentenced to 2 years in TDC.
Is that the agreement?
That is our agreement, Judge.
Ms. Cooper, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
I cannot
Yes.
hear you. All right. The court will follow your agreement, find you guilty, grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served.
For the record, Judge, I've been told by the court staff and the probation department, she has 576 days credit that we're asking to receive.
Okay.
Robert, yeah,
Yes.
needs time for her state ed status and state ISF.
All right. Were those successfully completed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And I'll give her credit for any time and inpatient treatment. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Judge.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question about what a weapon or you need to speak to your attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. I understand the issues that you've had in your life, but at some point in time, you are going to have to start making better decisions, because otherwise you're going to find yourself in and out of prison and back to the same place that you were before. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you have a significant other or somebody in your relationship who wants you to do things that are not for your best, then you need to drop them, because they mean you no good. And I don't know if what I'm telling you is sinking in or not, but if you have a boyfriend out there who's making you do things or wants you to do things for fast and easy money, then guess what? That is not the person for you. And you're going to have to stop using drugs, because otherwise what you had in your system today, that could be the last time you use. And then guess what? There would be somebody dead in Bexar County or somebody dead in the field, and they'd be trying to identify the body. Then somebody would identify the body, and it may be you. Don't be that person. You understand? Court is calling 2023 CR 8336, State of Texas versus Carla Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
David Rodriguez for the defendant.
And are you Carla Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. I don't see it, but I'm assuming you filed a motion application for probation or deferred adjudication.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Court is going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 grams to 4 grams? That is a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked? Court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe so.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Miss Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, no, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than a plea?
I,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State? Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. I'm sorry. Showing you outside the agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours community service restitution, no harmful or injurious contact with Isaiah Martinez. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Or no contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. I offer State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
No objection.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding you guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Only that I would urge the court to follow our plea bargain agreement.
All right, how many children do you have?
I have 5 and we're babies.
All right, how old are your children?
The age is 23, 22, 19, 13, and then 9, almost 10.
All right, who's taking care of the 13, 9-year-old, and 10-year-old?
The 9 and 13-year-old, my mom is.
I'm sorry,
My
what?
mom is.
Is Child Protective Services involved?
No, ma'am.
All right, when's the last time you had employment?
It's been a while.
Why?
Just haven't found a job.
All right, I can tell you right now, I know that Isaiah Martinez is your son. You're not going to be allowed to live with him.
Oh, no, I know that.
All right. So you need to get employment and get on your feet. We're going to do 3 years deferred adjudication, 150 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. She needs intensive parenting classes. Once she completes those, the community service will be deemed satisfied. No contact with Isaiah Martinez. If she gets her life together, I'll consider allowing her to have contact. Obviously, he loves her, but there was violence in this situation plus drugs. You can't be living with your children and bringing drugs into their home. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. TAP evaluation in custody. Follow TAP recommendations. If they recommend inpatient treatment, then it's to be inpatient treatment. I'm going to run a referral to felony drug court. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. The UA hotline until further notice. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And probation with the field visits, I'm just trying to make sure she's in classes and is on the right track before that's discontinued at your discretion.
Thank you.
All right, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor, I think that's it.
All right, anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Amen.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. You're going to have to do better. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.